What's up, everybody? This is Steve from Claiming Christianity. I'm glad you're here. It's been a while since we've been doing Bible reviews because I just didn't have the Bibles, but they're coming in now, and I have 4 NKJV Bibles. We're going to unbox them right here, take a look at what's inside of here so you'll know what reviews are coming up. Now, as I take my trusty Swiss Army knife here out, I half cheated because I didn't really cheat, but Thomas Nelson put a sticker on the outside of the box that tells me what's in here, at least as far as the letters go, NKJV thin line. So let's open it up and let's see what's in here because I'm excited. I have a basic idea, but we're gonna show it to you guys. Always be careful when you're opening boxed knives that you don't cut through the thing that's underneath there. All right, packaging is good. What I do know is that there are 4 Bibles in here. So let's get rid of the paper. We're gonna scoot this off to the side. Ooh, okay, here we go. So I kind of knew that some of these were coming. Again, there's a sticker, so I looked them up. We'll do full reviews on each of these, but this is an NKJV Compact paragraph style Bible. If you're familiar with the channel at all, you know I love zippers. I know Skylar put out a Bible with zippers. I can't afford that one. But this Bible, I love it. I haven't even opened it yet, and I already love it. Look at the size of this thing. And it has a zipper. Oh, so good. All right. It looks like the font is about 7. Am I right? Yes. Okay. So it's about a 7-point font. And it is a red letter edition. Smells good. Again, we will do full reviews of each of these Bibles in the near future. They'll be coming out in the next couple weeks after I have a chance to look through them and get the footage, but I wanted to show you what's coming up. So we have this compact. How many ribbons? Oh, it's hard to see. All right, no ribbons. No ribbons in this Bible, probably because they had to leave room for the zipper. That's okay. Some of you actually, let me know down in the comments, don't like ribbons. Is there anybody watching this right now who cuts the ribbons out of their Bible? I want to know. Let me know down in the comments. All right, let's put this back because there's more for you to see. NKJV Compact Reference Bible with a zipper. Oh, this Bible is so cool. I'm so excited about it. All right, the next one, look at the size of this thing. I'm an adult male. You like those pictures where they show you on Amazon that the guy's doing this? I don't know what that means. Is he a 6-foot tall guy? Is he a 7.5-foot tall guy? Is he a 4-foot tall guy? I don't know what this means. This thing is massive. I have some friends out there that I might offer this Bible to if they're interested in it. This is a 15-point font. NKJV super giant print reference Bible. Let's open this and see. This thing is big. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is a massive Bible. Okay, my hand is dwarfed by the outside of it. But again, I have some friends that read super giant print Bibles because that's what they need. By the way, I can't even believe it. Maybe you can see it here first. See those little kind of divots? This is my very first thumb indexed Bible. I have mentioned this before on the channel. Somehow, with all the Bibles that I reviewed, I've never had a thumb indexed Bible. And this one has thumb indexes. I'm so excited to talk to you about that when I review this Bible. And look, I probably don't even have to get it too close up to the screen. Look at the size of that font. If you have trouble seeing and you're in the NKJV world, because not all translations put out Bibles that are this big and have this font size, 15 font size, red letter edition, they all smell so good. What exact type of leather is this? Black genuine leather. Okay, this is a nice Bible. You see the floppiness. Don't forget, full reviews coming soon. I just want to show you what's in here. Two ribbons. We'll do full reviews on these Bibles because I want you guys to see them all and know what's out there. There's a correct tool for every job, right? And if you have trouble seeing, but you want a print Bible, that might be the tool for you. If you don't have trouble seeing and you want something to stick in your car or in your backpack, this might be the tool for you. Look at the difference, by the way. I'm glad to look at the difference in size between these two Bibles. It's fantastic. I love it. Thomas Nelson, thank you for sending these so I can show them to all you guys because it's important. All right. NKJV. These are all NKJV, by the way. All New King James Version. Evangelical Study Bible, Christ-centered, faith-building, mission-focused. Okay, I'm going to read you the back. To be an evangelical is to believe in life-changing truth. It is to believe that the Bible not only gives us the key to eternal life in Jesus, but also the way to live today. Okay, so this is a 10.5 point font NKJV Comfort print. You know that that's my number. I have graduated from 8-point font to 10.5 font. Maybe that's because I've graduated to being above my 40s. I'm 40, almost 44 now. This also is black genuine leather. Okay, very simple outside. I like simple outside. My favorite are raised hubs, but I do like when there's nothing here and it's real simple on the outside. 2 ribbon markers, and the font is big. Ooh. This maybe, let's go to Matthew 5. I'm seeing a whole lot of blue here. Oh no, it's a red letter text. Okay, so this is a red letter edition. You won't be able to see it too well. You'll be able to see it really good in the full review. But it's a red letter text, but I'm looking through here just quickly, and in the commentary, in the study Bible portion, it's got a bunch of words that are highlighted in blue. Not only that, but the verse numbers are highlighted in blue. It makes it really easy to see them and find them. I will do some research on this Bible. Ooh, look at this pretty map. Again, this isn't super close up, but gosh, you guys know that I love my maps and I love my visual aids. This Bible is very pretty. I like it. Lots of little helps in here. I'm going to have to do some research on who wrote the helps. And we talk about that a lot here. Whose commentary is it that's commenting on the Bible? But there's a lot of stuff in here. 100 archaeological notes, brief biographies for more than 100 biblical figures. That stuff's all really cool stuff. So we have the Evangelical Study Bible. This is relatively new on the market, and I am anxious to show you all of these Bibles. There's one more in here. Let me get this Bible back in the box, and we'll be doing full reviews here. There's one more coming up, and ooh, I know this box. Some of you may know just by looking at the colors of the box. Okay, so this is the McLaren series. Large print, thin line reference Bible. So large print, thin line reference Bible. This is a 10-point NKJV font, and it says on the back, stunning gilded page edge design. What does that mean? Oh, you can't see it. I saw it here. Words of Christ in blue. Thomas Nelson. Thank you, Thomas Nelson. If you've seen, I only have one other Bible that is a blue letter, a text edition, and that is a Humble Lamb Bible. I know they've been done in the past, but for those of us colorblind guys, these blue letter texts is fantastic, because if you like that kind of thing, it stands out. Maybe that I can get it close enough to where you can see the blue letters there. But I happened to flip right open to Matthew, where there's a whole lot of Christ talking, and it jumps right out of the page. I'm excited. And look at this. Again, you're not going to be able to see this very well, so you're going to have to come back. Make sure you're subscribed, because first of all, there's lots of good content coming out, and second of all, why not? But this art gilding, which you may not have been able to see there, is beautiful. It really is. It's a cool little design. 2 ribbon markers, raised hubs. Ooh. All right, I'm excited about all these Bibles. If you can't tell, I'm excited. Words of Christ in blue, black genuine leather, large print, McLaren series. These McLaren series Bibles are top notch, and the price point is actually really, really good. So there you have it, folks. Evangelical Study Bible, McLaren series, NKJV, super giant print reference Bible, and its little brother here, the compact reference Bible. We're going to be reviewing all these in the very near future, in the next week or two. Make sure you're subscribed, or at least just come check back on the channel, because I like having the opportunity to show you what's out there. Each one of these is a different Bible that somebody may be interested in, that may be the perfect Bible for you. The words in them are the same because the Bible is the Word of God. right? But maybe you have a tough time seeing and you need to know what's available in a giant print. Maybe you want a new study Bible to go through this year. Who knows? This is one of the things we do here is review solid tools and resources to help make your day-to-day better and more Christ-focused. Thank you so much for hanging in there for this unboxing. This was a cool unboxing. It was really exciting. I hope you stay tuned for the full reviews coming in the near future. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down in the comment section. And don't forget, be the Christian you claim to be.